bathroom upgrades with a luxurious touch.
If there's one room where people expect a little luxury, it's the bathroom. Updating your bathrooms can significantly boost your home's value while providing a relaxing retreat for you and your family. Start with the basics, new fixtures like faucets, shower heads, and cabinet hardware. Choose finishes like brushed nickel, matte black, or polished chrome for a modern touch. Adding a fresh coat of paint in neutral tones can make a bathroom feel more spacious and spa-like. Consider updating the vanity with a new countertop or even replacing it entirely with a sleek, modern option. A floating vanity or one with plenty of storage is not only functional but also visually appealing. Don't overlook the shower or tub. Frameless glass shower doors, subway tile, or even a simple reglazing of your existing tub can make a huge difference. Adding features like a rain shower head or dual shower heads can create an instant sense of luxury. If your budget allows, heated floors are a feature that buyers absolutely love and are willing to pay extra for. Lighting and mirrors play a crucial role in making a bathroom shine. A large, well-lit mirror can create the illusion of space, while modern lighting fixtures can set the mood. Think of your bathroom as a sanctuary. Small touches like plush towels, greenery, and subtle decor can complete the transformation and add that high-end feel.